This is a Carmel Model. It's the laundry facility for those who need it down there. This is a very unusual level in Carmel. Typically you'd have stairs going down, but this one doesn't. Just one quick step in. Carmel's have this nice little patio out front. Carmel is the same floor plan as a Monterey. Monterey's up, Carmel's down. This one has been updated. Completely new kitchen, new lighting, little pantry addition, upgraded appliances. Very well done. Living space, dining area. The other thing I like about Carmel's is you can see out the back, they have a second patio off the back. This one's staring right there at that building. Many don't. Many have an open space behind. It's quite lovely. These are about 1,100 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. This is bedroom number 1. And then we have back here bedroom number 2. Both have nice little closet areas. This is services, water heater and furnace. And then of course, the single bathroom. This one's been updated nicely with laundry, stackable. And then the tub has been converted into a big shower. And that is a Carmel.